Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, indicator of interstitial fluid. In the indicator of interstitial fluid is actually an indirect measurement. So, interstitial fluid can be calculated by the formula interstitial fluid can be calculated by the formula extracellular volume minus plasma volume is called as interstitial fluid. Actually, extracellular volume constitutes around 8% of the body weight, whereas plasma volume constitutes around 5% of body weight, whereas interstitial fluid constitutes around 3% of body weight. So, by subtracting the plasma volume from interstitial fluid volume, we get the interstitial fluid volume.
thank you and thank you for watching.